Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to stop Facebook from sharing your story to Instagram if you have associated your Facebook account with Instagram and it automatically shows your story to Instagram and you want to stop it. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook and then tap on the three lines on the top right to go to the menu section, and in the menu section just simply tap on the gear near the search icon in order to open up settings and privacy. So once you come to settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down a little bit and you'll find a stories option. Just simply tap on that option and go to story privacy, and then here you can see the option of always share to Instagram. If just someone have toggled on that option like this and it automatically show your story to Instagram and you want to turn it off, just simply toggle off that option. So that's how you can easily stop Facebook to automatically show your Facebook story to Instagram. So that's how you can do that. So I will talk to you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video.